Hi there, students. To consecrate. Okay, to consecrate, a verb. Consecrated as an adjective. I guess consecration, the consecration of an object, could be the noun of the quality. Okay, to consecrate means to make something holy, to declare something is holy, particularly by some sort of procedure that makes this thing holy. To hallow, yeah, as in Halloween, to make holy. So, for example, a church. You build a church and then the church is consecrated. Consecrated, it's dedicated to the service of God. Yeah, there was a ceremony to consecrate the new church. In the Christian liturgy or in the Christian service, they take bread and wine and they consecrate it. They make it holy so that they can use it for the for the church service. Let's see. I know in Buddhism you can consecrate an image of Buddha or a statue of Buddha, yeah, to devote it to Buddha, to devote it to religion. Okay, so to consecrate means to officially make something holy, to make it possible to use it in religious ceremonies. Now, also in the Christian church, a bishop is consecrated. Yeah, he's given the title of bishop, and this is to consecrate as well. You have consecrated ground, holy ground, ground that is holy. And the dead were buried on consecrated ground, on holy ground. Okay, so to consecrate, to declare that something is holy, to dedicate it formally to a religious purpose. Yeah, I think you could probably use this metaphorically. So the library was consecrated for the use of serious study, for example, set aside, devoted to. Okay, so yeah, to consecrate, to devote irrevocably to the worship of God by some sort of ceremony. Yeah. Okay, so to make something venerable as well. I guess the principles of freedom are consecrated by the history that has gone before. So it's to, yeah, I think basic human rights are principles that should be consecrated. They should be made holy. But here I'm using it as a, I'm using it metaphorically. Okay, so consecrate, consecrated. I think particularly for a building or a piece of ground, to dedicate, to ordain, to make holy. Yeah. Okay, I guess, yes, time has consecrated the custom of having a party after a wedding, for example. Okay, so to make something that revered by people. I guess some football grounds are considered consecrated ground by the supporters of that team. Okay, so they're venerated, they're holy, if you like. Okay, so formality, to consecrate, consecrated. 6.5 informality. I wouldn't use it informally to make holy. Yeah. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah. Semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, It comes from Latin consacrare, or consacro. So con with and sacrare, to dedicate, sacer in Latin, sacred. Okay, so consecrate. Yeah, easy word. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Consecrate Consecrated.